Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert your EPUB ebooks into PDF documents on your Mac using Cloud Convert. No downloads or installs required. Let's dive in. First, open Safari, or your favorite browser, and navigate to cloudconvert.com/EPUB to PDF. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select File and choose the EPUB file you want to convert. You'll see a blue upload bar as your file transfers. Feel free to grab a quick coffee while you wait. When the upload finishes, make sure the Convert to drop-down is set to PDF. Next, hit Convert. Cloud Convert will process your ebook into a PDF in just a few seconds. As soon as the conversion is complete, a download button will appear. Click it, and your new PDF will save to your Downloads folder. Open it in Preview or Adobe Acrobat to confirm that all text, images, and formatting look perfect. And that's it. Fast, free, and entirely online. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.